said to God, A, I don't think you're real, but if I'm wrong and you have a plan for my life, prove it. 2 weeks come and go. I didn't even remember praying that prayer. There was zero faith attached to my prayer. I'd been at lunch. I walked in and said hello to Sharon, our receptionist, went through a set of doors, walked down a hall, turned right, walked into my office, shut my door. Off behind me to my left, I audibly heard the voice of God. And the 2 words he spoke to me were, call mom. I didn't hesitate. I had a second line. I dialed 344-7443. The phone rang 6 times, 7 times. On the 8th ring, my mother answered the telephone, and when she said hello, instantly I knew something was terribly wrong. My mother was attempting suicide. I ran out of my office, ran past Sharon, jumped into my car, drove Interstate 75 in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I drove up this interstate and I talked to this God I did not know. God, help! I can't save my mom, but you can. I beat on the door that day. My mom was barely alive, and she came down some stairs. She fell into my arms. I picked her up. I carried her to her car. I drove her to Park Ridge Hospital in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and as we drove, she looked over at me. She says, Dean, I can't be dying. And I said, Mom, hang on. You're not going to die, but you're going to